Welcome to Rise of Grace eLearning Environment, your digital learning platform designed to make education more accessible, organized, and engaging for every learner. So, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to go to your web browser. It could be Firefox, Chrome, or any other of your choice, and type in Rogele and then press enter. So, it will display for you our system, and you select the very first option and it will take you directly to our home page. Here you can learn about the system purpose, its features, and how it supports both learners and everyone out there in delivering stimulating learning experience. We are still under our home page. I guess you can still see how you can easily get started. So the very first step here is to create an account. Then you choose your class and then you can start learning. There are reasons to why you should choose us, because we have everything you need for quality education. We have interactive lessons, smart quizzes, homework support, and many other. But of course, it's not a free system. We have our plans. We have the monthly plan, the termly plan, and the yearly plan. So you can choose any of your choice, but in this case, we recommend the termly because of the added benefits. So from there, we can give you a free trial to see how it really works. And if you're really interested, you can go ahead and subscribe to our premium plans. So when you click on the free trial, it will take you directly to our account creation panel, and you'll be prompted to enter your name, then you go ahead and type in your email address. Then from there, you'll enter your phone number, but make sure in this case you're providing the correct contact. Then you select a class you're interested in, and then you enter your password. But in this case, the password should be 8 characters long, and you need to make sure that it is the same. And then you agree to our terms and the conditions. Then you click create account. So from there, it will take you directly to our dashboard, and I can see that with this trial period, there are unlimited days remaining. You'll be able to access the learning materials, the lessons, the quizzes, the homework, and any other thing. So your child can go through the lessons, can practice quizzes, and can attempt homeworks through the system. So under learning materials, we can click there and we see what's under our learning materials. So I guess you can see that we have the learning materials specifically for that class, and still you can go ahead and change the subject you want. So from there, you can go to quizzes and click there. I guess you can see the number of tasks we have under our quizzes. So we've given you a whole package of all quizzes some your child can try out. All you need to know is that with these quizzes, they are timed. I guess you can see the number of questions, the time, and then the pass marks. But all you need to put in mind is that they are timed, and once the time has elapsed, the quiz will close automatically. So from there, you can go to your profile and log out. And yeah, so the next time you come in, you already have an account, you just need to log in. And yeah, thank you.